Elle s'appelait Marinette, elle était jolie mais bête.
Welcome to your French class. In today's class, we'll do l'impératif with reflexive verbs with pronominal verbs. So pronominal verbs have these the, no, wo, these reflexive cases in front. So we'll see how to use these reflexive cases after writing them in imperative, imperative. So we are taking a verb se lever, which means to get up. If I conjugate this verb in present with tu, no and wo, we write the conjugation in this way. Tu te lèves, nous nous lavons, vous vous lavez. Means you get up, we get up, or we are getting up, or you are getting up. You all get up, or you all are getting up. Now, well, we need to write them in order command suggestion. We already have learned the rule in first video of l'impératif, where we learned these tu, no and wo. These reflexive cases should not be there when you write in order. Only verb should be there in front. Even if I drop these tu, no and wo, and I write my conjugation, I have this the, this reflexive case, nu and wo still before the verb. As per the first rule of l'impératif, only verb should be there. So I will first write my verb only, which is lève. The second rule there says, if S is there, if the verb is any ER group verb and in tu conjugation S is written, we have to remove that S also. So we'll remove this S also. If I remove this S, it is lève. Now what about this the? This the can't stay, this the, no and wo can't stay in front. We only need the verb, so we'll bring them at the back. So when we write them here, we have to put a hyphen in the middle. In between, this hyphen will be added. And the will be written as tua, as the stressed pronoun, tua. So lève, tua. And the last rule, where we have learned, we have to put this exclamation sign. We'll put this, lève, tua. Now it is a command, get up. Nous, nous lavons. Nous, nous lavons. Again, if I remove this subject pronoun, this subject pronoun, pronom sujet, still I have this no in front. First, I will write only the verb. As per the rule, again, I only need my verb in the beginning, which is lavons. Again, I will put a hyphen here in the middle, and I will bring this reflexive case at the back. Nous will remain as no only. And now, this exclamation sign, lavons nous, let's get up. Vous, vous lavez. I don't need this pronom sujet. I removed it. Only verb is needed, which is laver in this way. Reflexive case will go at the back with the hyphen and it will remain same as vous, lavez-vous, get up. So it is for second person plural or maybe someone who is elder to you. Now we'll see the negative structures of pronominal verbs in l'impératif. If I negate this sentence, this simple structure, simple present, tu te lèves, in negation, I will write tu. Here I will write ne and here I will write pas. So it should be tu ne te lèves pas. This is my simple present conjugation for this verb, se lever. If I write this sentence in negative, it should be nous, ne. I will write ne here, pas here. Nous ne nous lavons pas. And this last structure will be vous ne vous lavez pas. Now we'll see how to write a negative pronominal reflexive verb in l'impératif. Again, I don't need this tu, nous and vous, the pronom sujet in front. Only verb should be there. But only verb we can write in positive sentence. If sentence is negative, the placement of ne is always here before a verb. We never write ne at the back. Ne will stay here only. So the same way, we'll write it in the negative form. This tua will again come in front and will be written as the, same as we have written it here. Ne te lèves pas. Here I am following the rule which was for ER group verb, where we have to remove S from the conjugation. I did not write that S. Ne te lèves pas. This one again, no is removed. This ne can only stay in front. So we are writing it the same way. Ne nous lavons pas. exclamation sign. Let's not get up. Again, first vous, the prono sujet is removed, and again ne will stay here only, and reflexive case will be again at its place. Ne vous levez pas. So you all, or to someone who is elder to you, will say, don't get up. Ne vous levez pas. Now we'll see some sentences. The very first sentence is, dash vite mon ami. The verb is s'habiller. So, vite is fast, mon ami is my friend. If I am talking to my friend, it means I am informal. I am going to use informal case. So, I will use tu conjugation of this verb. So, the actual conjugation in present should be tu t'habiller. But we'll write in order, so only verb should be there in front. I will remove S, which should be there in present conjugation, but while writing order, there is a rule to remove, so we have removed it. Now, the reflexive case will be written at the back as toi. Habille toi vite, mon ami, means dress up fast, my friend. Second one is dash s'il te plaît. S'il te plaît is please. Again, this ta is indicating we are talking to second person informal, means tu case. Verb is se dépêcher, which means to hurry up. So, hurry up please. Again, I am saying this to maybe someone who is younger to me or someone of my age with whom I am informal. So, again the verb in front without S. Again, because it is second person informal case, ta, which should be written here, the reflexive case, will be written at the back as toi. Dépêche-toi, s'il te plaît. Hurry up, please. Third one, dash to mon fils. Again, I am talking to someone with whom I am informal. Mon fils means my son. So, obviously, if I am talking to my son is younger to me, I will use the informal case. Verb is se réveiller, to wake up. So, I am saying wake up early, my son. So, if I am giving this command to my son, I am going to use tu case. It should be réveille. Again, S is removed. The reflexive case at the back, toi. Réveille-toi tôt, mon fils. Wake up early, my son. Fourth one. Dash mes enfants. Verb is s'amuser, which means to have fun or to enjoy. Suppose they are going for a picnic. So, I am saying, have fun, my kids. Now, I am talking to second person plural. Kids are more than one here, right? So, we use vous case, second person plural case. So, it should be vous conjugation this time. So, it should be amuser. The reflexive case for vous is again vous, which I will write here at the back. Amusez-vous, mes enfants. The fifth one is dash s'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît indicates I am talking to someone with whom I am formal or maybe more than one. So, verb is s'asseoir, which means to sit. So, I will write the conjugated form for vous, which is asseyez, reflexive case at the back. Vous. Asseyez-vous, s'il vous plaît, means sit down, please. Now, this verb has its two conjugation in present, and the same conjugation for vous can be written as asseyez. So, both will be correct. You can write any of these two. Asseyez-vous, s'il vous plaît, or asseyez-vous, s'il vous plaît, mean to sit down. So, sit down, please. So, this is how we conjugate reflexive verbs in L'impératif. If you need to ask anything related to the topic, do ask me in the comment box. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.